What is up, YouTube? And welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. Today, we are going to be talking a little bit about Solana. This coin has definitely a lot of FUD, a lot of people trying to convince other people to sell. And so I figured it would be really valuable for me to make a video about what I personally think Solana is doing and why I don't think people should be selling their Solana down here. Before we get started though, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Also, if you guys enjoy these videos and find value in them, share them with your friends. It really means a lot to me. And without further ado, we'll get straight into today's video. So the very first thing that I see is 5 waves up in this market. As you guys can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and our 5th wave. Then we have our A, B, and C wave down. So this is a complete Elliott wave cycle here on Solana. You guys can also see that at the beginning of the cycle, volume was very high. Then through the middle of the cycle, where there was a lot of selling and taking profits, volume was a lot lower. And now that we're nearing a potential bottom of this cycle, we have high volume again. I do believe Solana will continue in a big picture bull market. We definitely had a bear market since its peak down. This is a 92% correction, which is typical of a crypto bear market. Most crypto bear markets are about 92%, like Litecoin in the last cycle, Ethereum. This is pretty much exactly what happened in every crypto cycle we've had. So this is nothing new. This is very typical of a crypto cycle. And what generally happens is we have a bounce. We usually bounce up to about this A wave and sometimes even the B wave. And then prices do have a tendency to pull back down. And what usually happens is we head for a big picture reversal, or in other words, this becomes a huge rounded bottom. It doesn't seem possible now, which is why so many people sell into wave C. But if you have a little bit of patience and you're willing to see and buy something that other people are giving up on, then you can absolutely reap the lucrative rewards of buying these cycles undervalued. But it takes a little bit of faith, and you have to be able to buy when other people are giving up, which is exactly what's happening with most of crypto right now. A lot of people give up on the market. And it's because a 96% drop, 92% drop, they can't handle the pain anymore. So they capitulate, they sell at the bottom. But to be honest with you guys, I really enjoy buying coins that are down like this. I generally get very excited. I remember when Litecoin hit its bottom of the last bear market in 2018 and in 2020. It was down over 90% from its peak in 2018, and that presented an opportunity almost identical to this opportunity on Solana. And it saw like 300% gains off of its lows, just up to that first wave, right? That A or that B wave. So there's a lot of opportunity in this market. Not everybody's going to see it. A lot of people will do the wrong thing. But I figured I'd keep making these videos because I know that down the road, you guys will look back at these videos and go, whoa, wow. Solana was never, ever going to be worth $13 ever again, and you'll be able to see why I was interested in the market undervalued like this. And you'll be able to look back and go, oh, this is what Dallin looks for in these corrections. This is how Dallin looks for his opportunities. So I figured I'd make this video because you guys, there really is tons of opportunity in the market right now. And I'm not here to try to convince you guys. I really don't care whether or not you buy it, other than I want you guys to see success. And I want you guys to make money. And I know that 90% of the market does the wrong thing. And so I really do want to see you guys succeed, but I don't care if you're not going to buy, because I am, and this market is going to reward me for it. And I'm very confident that this market is not only going to completely recover, but head into a cycle that was even bigger than 2021. Not necessarily in percentage gain, but in the amount of billions of dollars that come into the crypto space. So yeah, I'm going to stay persistent and consistent in investing in these markets and holding true to my positions because it's rewarded me in the past, and I know it's going to reward me again, and it's going to reward the people that have the willingness to take advantage of the opportunity and buy the dip in these markets. This isn't financial advice when I say buy the dip. This is my personal trading journal. This is what I do. But you guys, throughout my journey in this market, it's been really fun to watch people turn their lives around, to watch people be able to make money in crypto. It's been really fun to watch people have success in the markets because they were willing to buy the dip. They were willing to take advantage of other people's fear. It doesn't take a genius to do that. It just takes faith. I'm serious. It just takes a willingness to see things as they really are and to take advantage of an undervalued asset and to have a little bit of faith to buy the dip. But if you can do that, I promise you that you guys will be rewarded in these markets. It's just how these markets work. And there's laws and principles. It's like gravity. People a lot of times think that these markets are based on randomness, but they're not. This market is based on law and principle. And anybody that tries to fight those laws and those principles are going to find out real quick what it's like to jump off of the back of a moving truck and figure out what gravity does to them. But for those people who are willing to take advantage of these laws and work with them, are going to find out what it's like to put your money into something, consistently pull profit out of this market for the rest of their lives. So when you're ready to be that person, when you're ready to actually make money in these markets, you take risk, you buy the dip, and you do it with faith. And you don't listen to contrary opinions. You don't go listening to all the people that are saying, hey, crypto is going to be in a 5-year bear market. It's going to take 10 years for us to recover. You don't listen to that crap because it's not true. You go find the good stuff. You go find the good information and you see things as they really are, which this market is undervalued. This market is not overvalued like some people believe. You see things as they really are. You take advantage of undervaluation, and you're not only rewarded for it, but you're rewarded beyond your wildest imagination. So yeah, you guys, don't lose hope on this market. And I see a lot of potential in Solana. I believe in this project. It was originally Ethereum killer. You know, that was the main idea, is to kill Ethereum. And I do think this is going to be a big year for Ethereum too. So I'm not that kind of guy that's like, oh, Solana is going to destroy Ethereum completely. But I do believe that Solana will outperform Ethereum long term. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. I love and appreciate you. Share it with your friends. I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. And as always, stay profitable out there.